後邊嚟啊？
係到嗰度。
other MotoGPs compared to the PETRONAS Grand Prix here in Malaysia? Is there a difference? Is there a different vibe?
Hi everybody. Yes, it's fantastic, and here every time we have the test on February and the race in like this year, and not this year, in November, much late. But well, it's special because I won last year here, and every time I have a bit of more pressure, no, in the track. But it's good, I like it.
Yeah, he loves Malaysia. Final question, what about the food?
Yeah, the food, I think we have to work a bit. The Italian is better.
Okay. It's okay. After the...
Yeah, as they just said, we come here every winter to test, so we know very much this layout. It's really demanding physically because it's always very hot. It's also one of the longest circuits of the calendar. So yeah, it's challenging both for us and for our bikes. So yeah, I can't wait to ride.
Can I ask, there are 15 corners, right? Is there a particular corner that you like or that you're like, not sure of?
I think the first section, the first corner 1 and corner 2 are really challenging, and also I think it's one of the most difficult for the start. So it will be very important, you know, to do our qualifying to avoid any trouble there.
Thank you so much for answering. Hey, over to you.
All right, our next question here.
I want to enjoy this weekend, and I can't wait to come this circuit to win for MotoGP. So I love this country and the circuit, but that's it.
Wonderful. Okay, there is one more question, and I know Faisal has been dying to ask this question because we know you like anime.
Yes.
Right? Anime? Japanese anime?
What's that?
Oh.
Dragon Ball, One Piece.
Oh, okay. Okay, how do I pronounce it?
Anime.
Anime. I thought I was saying it right the whole time since I'm also an anime fan, but okay.
Yeah.
Faisal, ask your question. I know you're dying to.
My question is, do you like One Piece or Dragon Ball better?
Nothing cannot beat Dragon Ball.
Yes! You're right, nothing can beat Dragon Ball. Alright, love again.
Dragon Ball fan as well. Totally Dragon Ball. Go through line.
Sorry for the unprofessional question.
Okay, coming back to MotoGP, all yours.
Alright, our first wildcard rider here today. Apa khabar bang? Okay, Jan? Hello everyone, how are you?
This is my second time in Malaysia. Last year was difficult for me. I have a big crash, but this year I have a new opportunity for do good things here.
Wonderful. And now I think we asked this, but I think it's fair to ask you as well. Have you tried Malaysian food, and which one do you like?
Honestly, I want to try Malaysia food.
Good start.
But I need to race on Sunday, so better after race.
Appropriate answer. Can I ask if anyone has told you one type of Malaysian food that you should try after the race?
You can tell me one type. I don't know.
Oh, I tell you one type. Okay, crowd, why don't you tell him what to try? They say the safest one is roti canai.
Canai, okay, I will try roti canai.
Wait. Did you say safest one is roti canai?
They don't touch the dal and the curry. Yes.
Okay, alright, okay. Safest one, are you kidding? Alright.
Alright, our second homegrown Malaysian man. Apa khabar bang? Okay, sihat? Not sihat? Sihat, okay. Alright.
see it somewhere, which we'll tell in a short while. So let me take, I feel quite scared holding on to this. Okay, I think I should put the mic down. Which you get to see kat mana, Faisal?
At our PETRONAS gallery dekat tingkat 3 on the 3rd floor, ladies and gentlemen.
And it is open to public as of now.
Yep,
so you get to see this, you get to take photos of it all the way until 13 November. That's how long the gallery PETRONAS is going to be open to public.
He just threw the water away. All right. Thank you.